Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix wrong printout direction in OneNote. This is a common issue that can really throw off your note organization, but it's actually a simple fix once you know where to look. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Make sure you give it a moment to fully load, especially if you have a lot of content stored in there. Once everything's ready, you'll see your familiar notebook interface. Now here's where we tackle the actual problem. Head up to the File menu, which you'll find on the top part of your screen alongside all your other tools. Click on File and a menu will drop down with several options. From this menu, look for Print and click on it. You'll notice the print icon appear, which is exactly what we need to adjust the printout direction. This next step is the key to solving the wrong printout direction issue. Under the print window that appears, you need to locate the Preferences button. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll gain control over how your printout actually appears. You'll see an orientation drop-down menu, and this is crucial because selecting the correct file orientation is what prevents that frustrating wrong printout direction. You'll have two choices here: portrait and landscape. Take a moment to think about your content and choose the orientation that matches what you're trying to print. Getting this right now saves you from having to redo everything later. Once you've set the proper orientation, click on OK to confirm your selection. Now we need to actually add this to your OneNote pages. Double-click on the OneNote desktop option to select it as your destination. This action will bring up a Select Location menu, which gives you control over exactly where this printout will land in your notebook. From here, you can choose where you wish to add the file printout by clicking on the pages or books displayed below. This flexibility ensures your printout goes exactly where you need it, properly oriented and ready to use. And there you have it. You've successfully fixed the wrong printout direction in OneNote by setting the correct page orientation before sending it to your notebook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.